Hi friends, welcome to All Good Tech, and today in this video I am going to unbox this Wright lavalier microphone. This is Wright LEV101. This is lavalier microphone and we are going to see that how is the audio quality of this microphone. So without wasting your time, let's start. As you can see, MRP price of this mic is 1999 rupees, but I have purchased this mic from Amazon for just rupees 799. I will give you link in the description so you can buy this mic if you want. Also, audio has been recorded with this mic. Now let's unbox this mic. I have already unboxed it, but I am going to open it again. Okay, so this is the pouch. You are getting user manual. Let's keep it aside. This is foam windshield. This is the connector. Also, you are getting this extra LR44 battery. This is our mic with collar pin, and this is the output. Here, as you can see, there is branding of Wright. I am going to open it now. Here you can insert the battery. Also, here are some switches. When you are using this mic with smartphone, you have to switch it off, but when you are using this mic with camera, then you have to switch it on. Now let's come to conclusion that if you should buy this mic or not. I think that this mic is really good for the price, but it's not best because it captures lot of noise. Yes, it captures lot of noise. If you will compare it with Boya BY-M1, then I think that Boya BY-M1 captures less noise. Also, if you are living in the area where there is lot of noise, then this mic is not for you. But overall, it's a good mic. If you want, you can purchase it, but you have to cut down the noise by using some software. So this much only in this video. Hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Also follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is AAT_121 and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.